everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess. If you are not, welcome back. If you are new, I would love for you to go down there and click that big red subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you guys can be notified every time I upload a video. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So here I have the May regular Boxy charm. This is the $25 Boxy charm. I did do a video with the Boxy charm premium last week. For some reason, I got this pretty late. I think I got this in a couple of days ago, but I was out of town, so I am filming it today. I will say I haven't been too happy with the Boxy charms that I've gotten, with the exception of the very first one that I got, which was the Big Luxe, which is quarterly, and then the one that I unboxed last week, the premium. That was pretty good. So I'm excited to see what is in here. I did take a little bit of a peek because I was looking for the sheet that it normally comes with. And for some reason, I think I've only gotten 2 out of the 5 or 6 boxes that I've gotten with an actual card. So this one didn't come with a card. And it also didn't come with any bubble wrap or anything. And there is a palette in there. So I find that kind of strange. I mean, it does have bubble wrap, but oops. But other than that, it's just kind of all thrown in here. So I'm going to dig right in. And the first thing I'm going to pick up is this Daily Concepts shampoo bar, plant-based vegan. This is interesting to me. I don't know that I would ever actually use this, just because my shampoo that I use is a purple toning shampoo, since I do have blonde hair, although it is red at the moment. And I did do a video on that, so I'll link it in the cards and down below. So this is what it looks like. It has a string attached to it. It's pretty weighted. I'm not really sure how much. Let's see how much it says in here. It's 2.1 inches by 1.3 inches, and it's one piece, and it's made in Mexico, which is kind of cool. It's avocado oil that's rich in EFA oils for elasticity and natural shine. Bend, don't break. Sugar nourishing and protects hair from the harshest elements. Aloe moisturizing and balance, as well as soothing for hair and scalp. So it's got avocado oil, nopal cactus, and aloe. So that's interesting. Sorry, my upstairs neighbors are like stomping, so I apologize if you can hear them. And this retails for a whopping $24, which for a little bar of soap or shampoo soap is quite a bit. So that is really interesting, and that's what the box looks like there. And then moving on to, we got a Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. That's what it looks like there. I've never tried anything from Pretty Vulgar, I don't think. I know that they come a lot in like these Ipsy and Boxy charm boxes, but I've never personally tried anything from their brand. I do know that they are sold at TJ Maxx, so maybe you can find this there. This eyeshadow primer retails for $22, and I just put a little bit on my hand there. I don't know if you guys can see that, and feels pretty nice. It is like a clear base, as you can see. It didn't really cover much. I prefer something that has a little bit of a tint to it, just because I do have veins in my eyelid that I like to cover up prior to eyeshadow. But I am excited to give that a try. And then next up from Glam Glow, we have the Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. It says apply an even layer to clean skin, leave on for 10 minutes. And for best results, tissue off and smooth in any excess. It also says that you can rinse it and pat it dry and follow with your normal skincare regimen. So, it smells to me, because it's like berry, it smells to me like cough syrup almost. You can definitely smell like strawberries in there, and that's what the inside looks like. Really pretty color, but to me it just smells like medicine. I am starting to get into Glam Glow. I did pick up something from them during my Sephora VIB haul as well. So I'm excited to get into Glam Glow. This is not a skincare brand that I've really kind of leaned towards, so I'm excited to see how well this works. A probiotic recovery mask. I don't have any face masks like that, and that was the most expensive thing in the box, retailing at $49. Next up from I'm probably pronouncing that right, that I Am Beauty Care. This is the Dead Sea Mineral Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. I don't really use makeup remover wipes anymore. I use a cleansing balm, but I might use this for like swatches and stuff. I mean, I'll give it a go just to see how I like it. And it says that it even removes waterproof mascara. I do like vitamin C. I've never had any makeup remover wipes that had vitamin C in it, so that's pretty interesting. I'm excited to kind of give these a try. The only other makeup wipes I've used are like the Neutrogena, which are also very good, but I just don't like the way it makes my skin feel afterwards. So I'm excited to see how this works. This comes with 25 towelettes, and it retails for $17. Last but not least, in the box, we have this Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. It didn't come in like a unicarton or anything. Like, it just came with this bubble wrap and then nothing else in the box, which I feel like is kind of strange. Again, there was no card with the prices. So here's what the palette looks like, and then you open it up, and that is there. This is a really pretty palette, very, very colorful. So if I was using this palette, I would probably reach into another more neutral palette, just because, again, these are kind of more on the colorful side. There is a nice size mirror as well. I don't want to blind you, but there's what it looks like there. And I'm going to swatch a couple of these just to see how they feel. So those are a few of the swatches. Doesn't look too bad. They feel really nice and creamy, so I'm excited to see how this works. Again, not probably a palette that I'll reach for a lot, just because this color story doesn't really scream out to me. So yeah, I mean, I'm excited to give it a try, but not something I probably would have purchased myself. And this one retails for $29, bringing the total to $141. The box was $25, so you get a total savings of $116, which isn't terrible. This is definitely not my favorite box. I probably will not use the shampoo bar or the Violet Voss eyeshadow primer. The other three I will. But yeah, that is this month's regular box. So if you got a different box or the same box, let me know down in the comments. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye guys.